Alright, now let's get this rear carburetor together. Here's the rear jet, carb jet. That in there. It's nice and snug. Want to make sure it's in there. Don't have another problem. Okay. Now, our brand new needle for the rear. Need that. Okay. A brand new needle for the rear. Drop it down in there. Let's get our pin in. Like that. Because the ball will allow the pin to slip out. Just test it. Alright, we're good. Now, let's get the bowl cleaned up. Get the gasket off it and the new one on it in here. Alright. Now we've replaced everything in the package here but the actual seat the needle goes into, but the needles and everything we replaced them because the tips are hard, but there's no reason to replace the seat. I replaced the O-rings last season and they're really gushy, you can see it. The actual idle mixture screw, I used the new spring, the gasket, and the little washer, but we're not going to use these because they're brass and mine are made of stainless steel, and the tips on mine have no mark whatsoever, and brass is a lot softer than stainless, so the stainless will last longer. But everything else is replaced. All these are all replaced. These are still all good, so I'm saving it. All the parts that I saved are all still good. Everything's usable that I took out. It's just I want to replace it and make sure it's up to par. We'll get all this other stuff in here, and we'll just keep rolling along here. A little piece of drop of oil around this little piston here at the end, so we know it definitely slides well. And we'll get our cover on. Alright, let's keep rolling on. Put one screw in real quick. Hold it in. Just put the other two in. That's it. Hard part, like I say, is adjusting and synchronizing. Still works good. Got that all in there. I'm letting the bowl soak a second. And we'll get this on there. Alright, we got our gasket on there. Set our bowl on there and our 4 screws. We'll get these spun in. We'll flip it. We'll get all the stuff put in the top. Okay, same process as before. A little bit of oil. We're going to put it on there so you know that this boot will slide up and down easily. We don't have to worry about any issues. I got the new boot in there. Tighten these screws down inside on this needle here. Our spring in here. Our gasket wants to stay down in there now. You have to use the lid to kind of get it to hold in there a second and then let up on the lid. This goes this way. Okay. Okay, same process as before. You're going to want to put a little oil around this. Make sure it slides easily. Got a new boot on there. All right. Okay. Okay, there they both are. Good to go. Okay, there they both are. We're ready. All right, without further ado, here it is after 5.5 hours. I got a little bit more tuning in between them, some synchronizing to do on the carbs, but here's what it's like. All right, it's really late, so that's where we're at. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for stopping by again. Like I say, we got a little bit more synchronized in between them to do. We're about 4 hours in on just synchronizing, plus the 2 hours building the carburetors. We're about 6-7 hours in, so I'm done. I'm tired. One more start. Alright, there it is. Good luck. Alright, you guys. See you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Use content off it, don't care. Just to enjoy yourself, do the best you can on your projects, and I'll see you guys out there. Peace. This can be a result too. Work hard, build your dreams. See you guys. Thanks for stopping by.